I don't know what's going on, but check out my screen. I thought for giggles that I would try squeezing up here. Thought I would try squeezing right here. Well, I turned it on because there's kind of, I don't know, I mean it's a normal gap, but I thought I would try squeezing there, and oh my god, the GoPro turned on. Wonder what that's all about. You know, this is, oh no, now it's black? Wait. Ugh. Okay, now it's back to video. This is crazy. This is so crazy. Let's try GoPro turn off. Okay, it turned off. Let's see if it turns on again. Oh, I don't like this thing the more I touch it. Okay, yeah. Something's goofy in this thing, period, if you squeeze it or whatever. You know what? Look at this. I don't think you can really see, but you can barely squish that closed. I mean, it's a normal gap. That's all as normal as it was from the get-go. My recording is just terrible. I don't know why it's so blurry. I mean, this is just crazy. This is absolutely crazy. I know this thing can go back. I'm scared to touch it now, but I think what happened is clamping it in the thing it clamps in is what allows it to function, and when you take it out, that gap or whatever needs to be squeezed together. I don't know. Maybe it's good now. I don't know. I'm scared to touch it, but okay, I'll go with that. Weird.